Nana Amponsaah epe apology and retraction and free Kwame Mickey of Kessben FM. But Kwame Mickey apologize. Kwame Mickey the reply biaba. Reply in letters no ha me de bro e ha. Kumasi Asante Kotoko defender Henry ANSU obeka Koroko ni nsu atre game no. Onya knock Olympic off the game abono am first half na Nuruddin ebe replace no. The injury no. What is the latest on the injury? No, Koroko first game of Babara Sports Stadium. Bobetima Bobi, and I say Untimi Bobi. I want some ewa ha me de bro. Ewo if ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko ex defender, a friend of Safu Jemfi, or a legend of the club, the Black President. Wakasa Bobeka Koroko game against Instructoreno. Comments be brain aba. Ena Kotoko nye ready. Ena say. Stephen Manu Crowdy or say Korokobe here 1 month. No musadi aye another pre-season. Sayanya sadena yabe so for season. Safu Jemfi and so den adventure about this whole sensem Koroko team no omun shede ni mo ho ene de no. Ehun sem ewa ha me de bro ewo ifi ampacho wa ha no as usual super 24 TV. Super 24 TV. Unsubscribe ya wadaroma. Ase hono so hu. Wo boss wa mame. No me notification no. Let us see build the house new together. Eye EFSM TV. Eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko TV. Eye Accra Folk TV. Eye Ghana Football TV. Enti wadaroma so when the football ye game no ho dia. Wadaroma no subscribe ya mame. Wait me follow your social media handle Facebook no so. Super 24 TV. Me a medi dwumadi ho chiabe. Ye frame me the blog man. Me da wase se woni me di kasubom. Na ye gusu di kasubom me build a house and a very big family together on this channel. Now Mami Zumi to Nsemunum no. Before me de Nsemene beba no. Mami acknowledge me viewers no. Me da mase bebre otumfo Nyankopon enhyiramo. Ye build the pan, ye ko. Na Ghana Premier League ne shase dia. Me sitem bia no ha no viewers and listeners centered program. Me ne mo na edi dwuma no. By virtue na me maso camera si me so na me present it. But adwenkyerem say ye kyira adwen no. Ma monitor ade bi in the comment section no. Bitimi ya blog bi beto na viewer bi abekyere na adwen utimi say nyansa pani otumfo Nyankopon enhyira mo ba bia mo hwebiri bia de woye bia otumfo Nyankopon ento ni super no enguso ma aya no wo mama hu ba bia wo hwefiri Dubai, USA, South Africa, Ghana kroda dimu so na wa na wo mama hu ba bia wo hwefiri e wo Ghana. Now mamenko Kumasi Asante Kotoko Nana YAW AMPONSAH XCU na Kwame Mickey sensemunu. Tuesday anwumere ya na Kwame Mickey de ne reply no aba na Kwame Mickey Nana YAW AMPONSAH share ne say onko radio no so na onsanko Facebook no onko pacho ba Kwame Mickey say hwe ehe ane ha me nko pacho minim dia meka me nko pacho asam no mu enti ase na me de braw ewufia apparently na ya about report Kwame Mickey koye say Nana YAW AMPONSAH birthday akudi ye no Kotoko or the abele Kotoko. And Nana YAW AMPONSAH babo nse beka se entisa no no anedi ne botom sika etwia. Enti Kwame Mickey enko oguru anim ase onko pacho na all retract. Kwame Mickey insist say never. Kwame Mickey letter or the babo nse na wa ha before say munchiremu ne beba no ma menkan letter ne mawo ansana nchiremu ne ntiase ankasa no ye de aye adwuma Kwame Mickey respond ewa ha say ma menhwe na memfama on the date 11 September ena Kwame enso ede ne reply ekoye na ena ye 12 but 11th no churo no o say notice of demand for apology and retraction of publication of malicious and defamatory matter alleging misappropriation of funds of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club by Nana YAW AMPONSAH. So it started by reply Nana YAW AMPONSAH to this Adia Mekan, you know. That was the subject. Now, Attention, Mr. Nana Yaw Amponsa. Reference made to your letter dated 7 September 2023 on the above subject matter. I have read the content of your letter and wish to respond as follows. As a journalist conducting my professional duties, I uncovered amongst many things that AH Hotel had posted a bill to Kumasi Asante Kotoko Sporting Club representing debt owed to the hotel. This included the supposed Nana Yaw Amponsaah bill, which has become a subject of discussion. As a result of this, your client, Nana Yaw Amponsaah, per his direction, asked that I apologize to him for falsely alleging that Nana Yaw Amponsaah's, in quotes, birthday bill posted to Kumasi Asante Kotoko was funded by Asante Kotoko. In that same letter you wrote to me, you have made reference to the letter emanating from AH Hotel to the effect that Mr. Nana Yaw Amponsaah personally duly paid for the bills herein referred to as Nana Yaw Amponsaah birthday, but not Asante Kotoko. I have also taken notes of the letter from AH Hotel giving detailed account of what transpired with regards to this matter. It is my understanding that AH Hotel has admitted making a mistake in the posting that bill to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Number 7, as earlier mentioned, I relied on the information which was in my possession at that time of posting the story, and same was true per the available document, that is AH Hotel ledger account to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. On the face of the evidence of the bill sent to Kumasi Asante Kotoko on 17th April 2023, I did not report falsehood. Was it based on reporter AH Hotel ledger account omode ma Asante Kotoko say birthday bi na omode bele Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Based on that, was I did not report any falsehood at that particular time. Per AH Hotel's letter, they regret the error and misunderstanding that might have arisen from the account ledger. Same admissible here. Any inconvenience caused is what? Regrettable. It is interesting that Mr. Nana Yaw Amponsaah, who was the CEO of Asante Kotoko and had an oversight responsibility of the account, did not notice this. This error, and same was forwarded for auditing. Let us say, Juan Kasa, say, now we are CEO. Na ya auditing na ledger account to Asante Kotoko from AH Hotel no. Ya bo Kotoko dia de bele Kotoko no unim. Well, and I osire. I kindly wish that per the recent AH Hotel letter written as a result of my post will comply respectively, officer, to make the necessary amendment and correction to the account. So I kindly wish that per the AH Hotel letter written as a result of my post will comply the respective officer to make the necessary amendment and correspond to the account. Let us say the person will change and say, "Sa letter AH Hotel edi akoma krobi Asante Kotoko for no mistake omo ye no omo correct sa mistake no in the ledger account AH for no edi akoma Kotoko auditing team omo ye adwuma sisia na asat na omo nye sa di no, but omanya ho actual letter abremi kisese ni sei net ye, but auditing for no de monko yes our correction no nti KWAME MEKKE di odi twa ato ano na chiro say thank you sincerely yours Michael Oheneba Nyame nsɛm no awie. Let us also say no auditing reports na nkofo ne de buy na asat now ɛno wa report ɛna all report nso de na mfonso bi ani ne ho some mistakes bi aba na corrections bi ɛwɔ so mo ya na na amponsa ne AH4 no omo ntworo nkoma kotoko auditing team no na ensesa otumfo nyankopon ɛma yɛnti ase safu jamfi say kotoko ebehia time ebebo 4 to 5 games and sana players ne ehuye ho but IMC ne de omo bo adwuma omo 100%. Henry ANSU the injury no enya ade huhu bia ene me fa phone na me ye call na me call be poso no wantimi antreni but one na mo working normal ntia me ka say by Friday kotoko training on men baba ya no betimi ayi na Sunday game no obetimi a feature according to reporter me say ka me da say still ni me di kasubom e ofie otumfo nyankopon insha na de oye bia on Tony super no enduso e be say share in the next video.